Hello!
Welcome back to another video.
Today we will learn
Greetings and introductions. Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm okay.
What's your name?
My name is Harry Potter.
Pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from London. How old are you?
I'm 12 years old. And you?
I'm 12 years old as well.
Okay, see you later.
Bye. Now, let's see another example.
Hello. Welcome. What's your name? I am Gabrielle. What's your name? My name is Ron. Where are you from? I'm from France. How about you? I'm from England.
Gabrielle, time to go.
It has been a pleasure to meet you. Nice meeting you too. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too.
Now, let's look at some other greetings.
In the morning.
Good morning, Ron.
Good morning, Harry.
In the afternoon.
Good afternoon, students.
Good
afternoon, Professor Snape.
In the evening.
Good evening, kids.
Good evening, Hagrid.
In the night.
Good night, Harry.
Good night, Ron.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new.
Remember to subscribe to our channel to keep learning English.
Goodbye.